So let's start with the new tutorial. We're going to do the of course, the complete tutorial for the infrared sensor. So let's start with placing the infrared sensor in our protoboard. Remember, it needs to be one side each, 2 legs on the top side, 2 legs on the down side across the gap. Yeah. Let's connect a few resistances. We're going to need a 10K resistance. That is, let's see if it comes to focus, brown, black, orange on our phototransistor right there on the top. Leave a space for the analog wire. There we go. Let's connect another resistance, this time around 100 ohms, that is brown, black, brown, on our blue tiny LED, which is our infrared LED. Both of the resistances need to be connected to my red bus right here. And now we want to see an output. Our output is going to be in the shape of another in the shape of an RGB LED, which we're going to place there we go, right there. Let's keep in focus. And we need, of course, to protect a couple of resistances for our LEDs, well, for the LEDs terminals, of course. So there we go, one right here. It's falling apart like my life. There we go. Let's hope my resistance doesn't fall apart. My life is falling apart, but that's kind of expected. That's why I'm a teacher, because my life is falling apart. There I go, having another breakdown while building. Sorry for the distraction. Remember, 2 resistances to protect our RGB. We're going to use 2 legs today. One 10K to protect our phototransistor. 100 ohm to protect our blue LED. The blue LED is actually our infrared LED. Cables. Let's start with our lovely tiny little ground signal. So on our blue bus, whoops, there we go. On the blue bus, we connect it to the 4th one, which is my GND. There you go. We connect the cathode of my infrared to the blue bus. We connect the lowest part, which is the collector, for my phototransistor right here. And we connect it also to the blue bus. That's all our grounds signal sorted out. Let's keep them a little bit below so they don't get into the shot. There we go. Now, what else do we need? We need our 5-volt signal on the red bus. So it's our 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Our 5-volt signal right there. We need our digital outputs. So I'm going to connect to this resistance and to this resistance. Whoops. Let's get this connected to PWM pins, which are 10 and 11. No, 9 and 10 in this case. And finally, we need to take the signal of the sensor into our analog pin. In this case, I'm going to use A0. There we go. In the same node as the resistance. So in the same node as the resistance, there we go. And that's the connection. Finished. What would we expect to see when we connect everything and when we do our complete program? Oh, it's moving around. Maybe it's a tremor. What do we expect to see? Something akin to this. So we got our light, and if I approach this, it's changing color. If you don't want blue and red, maybe you can move around the pins like this. Now I have green and red. There we go. You can change the pins of the LED any way you want to get any of the colors you want. The diagram will be on Classroom. Thank you very much.